Welcome back, traders. And before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now back to the video. Today we are going to be looking at the EA Brilliance Pro for MT4 and MT5, specifically for MT4 in this video. You have probably seen it floating around on a few sites with some pretty strong claims, especially if you're active in the trading community. So let's walk through what's actually being presented. Now it's listed as 1,500 dollars, but it's on promo right now for $49 on their site, and you can get it through Visa, Mastercard, and Apple Pay. Like I said, they have the MT5 version and MT4 and 5 version. You can see it costs more for the MT4 and 5 version, and MT4 and MT5 respectively cost the same. So if you're the type of trader that uses both and don't want to buy two separate versions, you can just get this one. Now the developer positions this as a next generation EA that works with a two-way averaging on a single currency pair. That currency pair is anyone you want, no requirements. On the H1 time frame, with profits from mean reverting price action, and it builds positions in both direction. As you can see on the page, it says the entry is triggered by price difference threshold, default set at 4 pips, with dynamic take profits confirmation active, and the same exit with full average positions. It claims to have risk control, which is a safe mode that halts new entries at 5% balance load and closes at 10% balance loss. We also have lot sizing via risk compound, so and so. Say its best conditions is range bound or mean reverting market, stable spreads below 2 pips, and single pair focus with sufficient liquidity. Now, this means that it doesn't work on all markets, especially bullish or bearish markets, strong bearish or bullish markets. So keep that in mind. Like I said, they caution strong trending markets without reversions and high spread environments during news events. They drop their settings for the EA. Now we have the technical specifications, MT4 or MT5, single pair. You can select whatever pair on the H1 time frame. They claim a minimum, they recommend a minimum deposit of $2,000 with a high drawdown risk at minimum level, which might be a lot for most newbies or beginner traders, with a recommended deposit of 5,000 or 10,000, which pushes a lot of newbies out. A leverage of 1 is to 500, an ECN or STP preferred broker. You can see all this on the page. Now they claim to have my FX book. Let's go over to my FX book. Claim on the page. Say it achieves 1907% growth over 4 years via its strategy method and live verified on real FBS accounts with 75.6% win rate. I don't see any link. I don't see any link for the FS book live signal or signal. So it's a bit of a red flag. It's a very Red flag. Okay, let's see it here. Let's see if it matches what is claimed. Okay, if we come over here, we can see the signal, not just the screenshot. So let's go through it. Says had a 3900 or 39.09% growth since 2020, with its latest trade 11 hours ago. So it's pretty recent. So let's check out the stats. You can see it had 74.9% profit trades. Maximum drawdown very high, 69.7%. Trading activity 99.9%, so it's trading almost all the time. From an initial deposit of 2,000, it's grew to a profit of 69,000, with 18,000 deals being made. And we see that we had withdrawals of 62,000. There's option to copy for 30 USD per month. Okay, and that is everything on the FBS book for the live signal. So who is this actually for? This EA is for traders where they understand how grade and martingale recovery works, who have enough capital to absorb larger floating drawdowns as they recommend, and who treat it as higher risk system rather than set and forget income multiplier. If you are new running a prop firm, or you can stomach 50+% equity swings, this style is usually not the best fit. Historical performance is just that, historical performance. Market changes and past results don't guarantee future ones. Now, before we end this, we can see once you buy the package or the EA, it comes with version 4.2 for X4 and version 4.2 for X5. This is for the both MT4 and MT5 option. And it comes with a scalper set preset. They say it to be sent immediately via email after purchase. And you can check out the FAQ sessions. Now, if you have such amount to buy and test an EA, let us know in the comments whether it works for you. And if not, it's probably best you skip it. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment telling me which EA you want reviewed next. And don't forget to grab that free robot with the indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.